If 7N force is applied on a brick and it moves through 5 meters, then what will be the work done? A. 25 joules, B. 40 joules, C. 35 joules, D. 35 bar. C. 35 joule is celebrated in Jharkhand immediately after Diwali on the new moon day in the honor of cattle. A. Bhakta Parab, B. Makar, C. Rohini, D. Sohrai. D. Sohrai. Which of the following novels is not written by Mukraj Anand? A. The Sword and the Sickle, B. Coolie, C. Private Life of an Indian Prince, D. The Guide. D. The Guide. Which of the dance was immediately preceded by a practice session called Sevkali and undertaken in the precincts of a temple? A. Kathakali, B. Kathak, C. Odissi, D. Kuchipudi. A. Kathakali. Which of the following is a duty of the Attorney General of India? A. To give advice to the Government of India on legal matters. B. To act as a judge in the Supreme Court. C. To advise the state government. D. To represent India in international bodies. A. To give advice to the Government of India on legal matters. The cultural heritage of Siddhis from dates back to almost 300 years, and their Siddhi Dhamal dance is an exquisite art form. A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Rajasthan. B. Gujarat. Which of the following locations experiences the lowest amount of rainfall during the monsoon season? A. Kerala, B. Assam, C. Leh, D. Meghalaya. C. Leh. 8. In which of the following cities was the 2023 IPL final match held? A. Kolkata, B. Chennai, C. Mumbai, D. Ahmedabad. D. Ahmedabad. Who among the following was the director of Kathak Kundra and also opened his own dance school named Kalashram? A. Pandit Lachu Maharaj, B. Pandit Shambhu Maharaj, C. Pandit Birju Maharaj, D. Pandit Achan Maharaj. C. Pandit Birju Maharaj. What is a budget deficit? A. The excess of government revenue over expenditure. B. The amount of money allocated for defense spending. C. The amount of money allocated for social welfare programs. D. The excess of government expenditure over revenue. D. The excess of government expenditure over revenue. What is a revenue expenditure? A. Money spent on day-to-day government operations. B. Money spent on debt repayment. C. Money spent on purchasing assets. D. Money spent on construction of roads. A. Money spent on day-to-day government operations. Which Indian musician won the Grammy Award for a meeting by the river with R.Y. Kudar in 1994? A. Ravi Shankar, B. Vishwa Mohan Bhatt, C. Hariprasad Chaursia, D. Zakir Hussain. B. Vishwa Mohan Bhatt. The holy mountain Kailash is located in which neighboring country of India? A. Pakistan, B. Afghanistan, C. Bangladesh, D. China. D. China. In which of the following states of India the loo wind does not blow during the summer season? A. Punjab, B. Rajasthan, C. Goa, D. Haryana. C. Goa. My Story is the autobiography of which female writer? A. Amrita Pritam, B. Pratibha Ray, C. Kamala Das, D. Asha Purna Devi. C. Kamala Das. Which age group of the population are covered under the Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushalya Yojana (DDUGKY) scheme of the Government of India? A. 25 to 60 years, B. 30 to 60 years, C. 15 to 35 years, D. 14 to 40 years. C. 15 to 35 years. Who was the founder of Naujwan Bharat Sabha? A. Chandra Shekhar Azad, B. Ajit Singh, C. Lala Lajpat Rai, D. Bhagat Singh. D. Bhagat Singh. Which gland gets enlarged in the gutter due to which there is a swelling in the front part of the throat? A. Adrenal gland, B. Thyroid gland, C. Pineal gland, D. Pituitary gland. B. Thyroid gland. In which state is the Bhitri temple situated? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Odisha, C. Jharkhand, D. Bihar. A. Uttar Pradesh. Shubman Gill was in the news for creating a record in his sport. What sport does he play? A. Chess. B. Cricket. C. Hockey. D. Badminton. B. Cricket. Which of the following does not come under fundamental duties? A. To develop the scientific temper. B. To pay taxes. C. To promote harmony. D. To respect national anthem. B. To pay taxes. Who among the following was a world-famous sitar player? A. Pandit Ravi Shankar. B. Ustad Shafaq Ahmad Khan. C. Rajaratnam Pillai. D. Ali Ahmad Hussain. A. Pandit Ravi Shankar. Which of the following institutions bagged the maximum medals at the 3rd edition of Khelo India University Games? A. Punjab University. B. University of Kerala. C. Guru Nanak Dev University. D. Jain University. A. Punjab University. In which year did the All India Muslim League move a resolution demanding independent states for Muslims in the northwestern and eastern areas of the country? A. 1942. B. 1940. C. 1939. D. 1941. B. 1940.